Hi everyone. We have these two beautiful pots of basil and we just did an experiment on them which gave us lots of harvest. Let us show you what we did so that you can get the most out of your basil plants. So we shot this video on 27th of July. Let us call this as pot number 1. What we are going to do is to harvest all of the leaves from this pot. And we are going to make some pesto with these leaves. We have the second pot. Let us call it pot number 2. We will use it for comparison with pot number 1. We will leave pot number 2 alone and will not harvest from it. So this is how pot 1 looks like after harvesting it. We will leave it alone and check back in a few days. Here is pot number 1 on 6th August, 10 days later. Look at the growth we got in it. We can harvest it now, but I would give it a couple more days to let it put on more growth. Today is August 9th, 13 days after we harvested pot 1, and it has grown the same amount of leaves as it had on 27th July. Whereas our pot number 2, which we left alone, has not made any significant growth. And this is the secret of getting more out of herb plants. When we harvest more, the plant gets a good pruning and pushes out more growth. If we do not harvest, it will behave how pot number 2 behaved, by not having much growth. So today, we are going to harvest both of these pots and make and store pesto for winter. I would suggest you also try this tip out. It works excellent for all plants from which we harvest leaves such as lettuce, chard, spinach, etc. That is all we have for this video. See you all in our next video.